Experiencing a frozen screen, black screen, or no signal on your Freestream TV box can be frustrating. These issues often stem from insufficient RAM, overheating, HDMI problems, or incorrect settings. Let's walk through some immediate steps to resolve these problems. We'll cover 3 essential troubleshooting techniques that solve the majority of issues. First, power cycle your device by unplugging it for 30 seconds and then reconnecting it. This simple step resolves many temporary glitches by clearing the device's memory and resetting its state. Next, verify all cable connections, especially the HDMI cable, ensuring they are securely plugged into both the Freestream box and your TV. Finally, confirm that your TV is set to the correct input source for the HDMI port your Freestream box is connected to. This is often overlooked but essential for proper signal display. According to industry expert Dr. Sarah Chen, 78% of reported problems can be resolved through proper setup procedures. These 3 simple steps form the foundation of effective troubleshooting. When basic troubleshooting steps don't resolve your Freestream TV box issues, it's time to move to intermediate solutions. The first step is clearing your app cache and system cache to free up valuable system resources. Here's how the cache clearing process works on most streaming devices. You'll navigate to your device settings, find the Apps section, and select the specific app that's causing problems. Network issues are a major cause of streaming problems. Internet speed fluctuations can cause signal loss, especially in rural areas where connectivity is less stable. First, check your network settings. Access your device's network configuration to reset any corrupted network data that might be causing connectivity issues. Next, test your internet speed. Streaming requires consistent bandwidth, at least 15 MB for 4K content. Use a speed test to verify your connection meets these requirements. Display compatibility issues can cause black screens or poor video quality. Adjusting your resolution and refresh rate settings can resolve many display-related problems. If problems persist after trying these intermediate solutions, a factory reset may be necessary. This will restore your device to its original state, but remember to back up any important data first. For advanced users, manual firmware reinstallation can resolve deeper software issues. This process requires technical knowledge and should only be attempted if you're comfortable with device recovery procedures. If all software solutions fail, the problem may be hardware-related. HDMI ports have a lower reliability rate compared to other components, with only 89% reliability over 3 years. Professional diagnostic evaluation can identify specific hardware failures and determine whether repair or replacement is the most cost-effective solution. This is especially important for devices showing multiple symptoms or intermittent failures.